Hey, welcome to Blockaholic. In this video, we're going to learn about Metamask. What is actually a Metamask? Metamask is a crypto wallet where you can store your cryptocurrencies. Let's say as an example, you open a bank account. You will get a user ID and password to log into your bank and access your money. But here in the world of a blockchain, there is no bank. You are your own bank. No one owns your money except you. With MetaMask, you can store your cryptocurrency or you can be able to buy cryptocurrency, and you can also transfer your cryptocurrency to someone else, let's say to friends and family, or you can be able to swap your cryptocurrency to any other cryptocurrencies. Not That's not all. You can also access blockchain applications like NFTs, or you can also play games. You can also use it for decentralized financing and lot more. There are dozens of networks in the blockchain. MetaMask can be able to connect to any blockchain network that is compatible with Ethereum. We'll talk about that in future. The source code of MetaMask is fully open sourced. That means you can be able to go and read the code. Of course, you need to know how to read. In the blockchain world, your keys, your crypto, and your data, no one owns it. In the next video, I'm going to walk you through how you can install MetaMask and play with it. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next video.